Okay.
So I'm at Chelsea Piers, and I'm with Chris, who has a YouTube channel called Scratch Overnight. It's a great golfing channel. And one of the things I talk about in recovery is about having a bigger life and having hobbies. So today I'm trying golf. So I'm here at Chelsea Piers, and he's having a golfing lesson. He's a great golf pro, and we're trying driving. So one of the things I learned about golf is it's like recovery. And one of the hobbies, I do is martial arts, and I also do yoga, and doing hobbies that's physical and mental and being in the moment, it helps with recovery. And one of the things I learned today is that's golf. You have to be present, you have to be in the moment. And that's like anything with recovery. You have to do something each and every day for your recovery. Go to a meeting, call your sponsor, pray, meditate. And by the way, my name is Drew, and I run the Reset. So Chris, you have any suggestions? What you've been in long-term recovery for a while now. What are some of your suggestions that you would offer to people who want to maintain their sobriety?
Yeah, if you're just starting out, obviously, the classics of, meetings and, getting a sponsor, making phone calls to people even when you don't want to. That was a big one for me when I was first starting out. I always felt like I was bothering them, but I really have truly come to realize that you're helping them as much as they're helping you. And get into something, get into a hobby, if it's painting, drawing, whatever it is, even golfing. Starting out early, getting into something where you feel that you can have an outlet, because, a long time when I was using, that was my outlet. It wasn't a good one. But now that I've been able to, pick up this hobby and start becoming a professional again in this industry, I've realized how much it has helped me. And it's given me that ability to cope with life on life's terms. And I've just been, going at it every day and showing up. I think that's a big one too.
Exactly.
Right?
Being
showing
present.
up. Yeah.
Showing up is half the battle. If you can show up whatever you're doing, it's gonna make all the difference in the world. So don't forget that you matter and you're worth it. And we're not gonna tell you that's gonna be easy. We're just gonna tell you that's gonna be worth it. God bless you. Have a blessed day.
Good.
Hi, I'm Drew from the Reset, and today I'm doing something new. I always talk about doing a new hobby. And today, I'm at the driving range, and I'm doing irons. So, I want to encourage you today, always be the best version of yourself. Part of that is doing something different, doing something new. And I was about calling your sponsor during the meeting, praying, meditating, exercising, striving each and every day to be your best self. And that's gonna happen when you go outside your comfort zone. You have to get comfortable being uncomfortable each and every day, moving forward, moving the ball forward. And that's what we have to do in recovery. We can't stay clean on yesterday's shower, and we can't be clean on yesterday's recovery. Do something today that your future self will thank you for, because you're worth it and you matter. God bless you. Have a blessed day.